We are going to do the logs on the Casio fx-260 Solar 2. So let's say you had the log of base 5, 25. How do I solve this? Well, you take the log of 25 over the log of 5. There's a rule for it. This 25 goes on the top, that 5 goes on the bottom. Take the logs. So we take 25, take the log, got an answer, divide, 5 log equals 2. Perfect. How about the log of base x 25 equals 2? Well, there's a rule that says log of base a b equals c is the same thing as a to the c equals b. So we can rearrange this to x squared equals 25. Take the square root on both sides. X equals, what's the square root of 25? 25, shift, square root, gives you 5. How about the log of base 10, x equals 2? Same thing. 10 to the 2 equals x. 10 squared easily. X equals 100. And if this feels a little too fast for you, just pause it and then rewind it and you'll get it. So antilog, 10 to the 2.5, right? So this one, we have an antilog key. So we say 2.5, shift, and the log key, 316.2277. We can also, and I'm trying to look for it here, we can use the x to the y key. We'll say 10, I think it's 10 first, and then x to the y, 2.5 equals, same answer, good. The order is very important. 10 to the minus 1.5, so that's going to be 10, right? X to the y, 1.5 negative, right? Equals, and that gives you 0.031622. All right. Okay. 10 to the half. Now, that's going to be 10, x to the y. Let's see if the ABC key works. 1, ABC 2. We press enter, or equals 3.16227. Perfect, keeps on going. This, of course, is the square root of 10. The index is 2. This 2 is that 2 right there. So we can take 10 and shift square root. Gives you the same answer. All right. What about if we take the log of 8? Automatically, this is base 10. So we take 8 log, and it gives us an answer, 0.90308. Log of 8 squared. Okay, so this one, we'll say 8, and then square it, and then we'll take the log. That gives you 1.8061. There's a rule that says that 2 can drop, and you can do it this way. So I would say 8 log times 2 equals, gives the same answer. All right. How about the natural log of 8? Well, we type in 8, natural log, 2.0794. Now, natural log is really the log of e, 8. Now, it gives you the same answer. Now, this different base, right, base e, what is it? Well, here it is right here, e to the x. So if we put a 1, shift e to the x, e is really equal to 2.7182, and so forth. So, if you want to calculate e to the negative 1.8, right, you go 1.8, plus or minus key, not the subtraction key, shift e to the x gives you an answer of 0.1652, right? Yeah, 9 keeps on going. And then what about the natural log of x equals 3? Well, the natural log is the log of base e to the x equals 3. And we know that e to the third, because of this rule, is equal to x. So e to the third, I don't know, 3 shift e to the x is equal to 20.0855. What does that mean? Well, if you take the natural log of 20.08 all the way to the last number, that should equal to 3. Does it? Well, if we press log of this number, yes, it gives you 3. Okay. All right. I hope that gives you some insights. Please share it with your friends. Please share it with your teachers. I hope you have a great semester. If this was going a little too fast, just rewind, do the best you can. Work with a buddy. And I hope, again, you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.